In this video, after breaking this ascending channel on the 1 hour chart, the price of Bitcoin went down by 5%, and right now it seems like we are getting supported by the 27,600 US dollars level, and guys, a pump may be imminent. And so if you want to know why I do believe so, and if you want to know where I believe the price is going to go in the next few hours and days, then stay tuned. Welcome back to Bitcoin Shooting Pro, I'm Federico, and if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, like, and share with your friends, and let's dive in. So guys, I said that a pump may be imminent here, and this is because we are getting supported by the 27,600 US dollars level, and as you can see here in previous price action, every time we touched this level, then we got a pump till 30k, and as you can see here, this happened as well. During the 26th of March, we touched this level and then pumped till 30k, and also, as you can see here, we formed some consolidation around this level from the 22nd of April till the 25th of April, and then when we broke this level, we then pumped till 30k. So I think we may get a bounce here that will bring the price till 30k again. So we can place this bounce here and enter a long position, and so let me show you how to trade this move and where to take profit and where to place your stop loss. And so you would enter a bit below the current price, so a bit below 27,900 US dollars. You would take profit below 30k, and you would place your stop loss below 27,500 US dollars. And with 10x leverage, guys, this will give you 70% profit. And if you want to place this trade with me on Bybit, then you can use my Bybit affiliate link down below so you can get a big sign up bonus. And guys, as I said multiple times, if we touch the 30k level again, then we will short once again. Because if you are a subscriber, you know that we've been shorting at 30k since the 26th of April, and we always made incredible profits. And as you can see here, every time we shorted with 10x leverage, we made almost 70% profit. So we're going to do that again once we touch the 30k level, and let me show you once again where to take profit and where to place your stop loss. And so you would enter the short position below 30k. I would enter at 29,800 US dollars. You would place your stop loss above 30k, and then you would take profit once again at 27,600 US dollars approximately. And again, this would be 70% profit with 10x leverage. And guys, now let me show you something on the daily chart so you are aware of what's going on a higher time frame. And as you can see here, and as I said multiple times, we've been forming this uptrend on the daily chart, and right now we are going down, as you can see here, and I thought this was the new lower high of this uptrend, and right now we are in danger because we are about to test this level at 27,000 US dollars. And so if we go below this level, then we can still preserve the uptrend if we stay above 20k. So as you can see here, what I want to show you is that even if we go down to almost 20k, we still can preserve the uptrend with a new lower high higher than the previous one. And so guys, don't worry too much even if we see some volatility here and go down, because until we preserve this uptrend and continue forming these lower highs on the daily chart, then I think we are safe. And guys, I think for today I showed you everything, and if you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, like this video, and if you didn't watch my new video where I show you how to make money with crypto in 2023, then you can watch it right there. And guys, see you in the next episode.